stuffed mummy jalapenos, people. Come on, let's get involved. Woo! Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight, guys, happy Halloween. We've made it. It is time to get involved with some of those tricks and treats. And also, we're gonna get involved with some of these mummy wrapped jalapenos. They're gonna be incredible. So, speaking of incredible, who's coming over tonight? We have Chris Underdahl on guitar. We have Arthur Zaragoza on guitar as well. Ryan Cobb on bass, and Alex Hamby on percussion. He's going to be doing some auxiliary stuff tonight. Should be a lot of fun, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, people, happy Halloween. Let's get involved. Woo! Hey guys, before we get cranked up onto these mummy wrapped jalapenos, James over here just turned 10 on Sunday, by the way. Happy birthday, the big 10. He has made a spooky little treat over here he wanted to share with me. So what do you have over there, dude? What'd you do?
It's an eyeball sundae.
Eyeball sundae? Ooh. Hey, can I stick my finger in it? Ew. No, I'm joking. Hey, that looks great, man. Cool deal.
Yeah.
The big 10, I can't believe it. He's 10 years old, he's made it. So anyway, guys, he's all getting involved with the BBQ Jam spirit of things, and he's got to make his spooky sundae. So eyeball sundae, sweet. All right, we're gonna catch you guys back here in a minute. I'm gonna start cooking up some stuff. So here we go. Come on, Bubba. Oh, you left me hanging. Come on, get out of here. Mummy wrapped jalapenos, here we go. We're gonna start off with a package of bacon. We're gonna pop it on the griddle over here, cook them down, chop them up, and we're gonna be putting them into our cream cheese and cheddar cheese mixture to stuff these jalapenos. So here we go. Hey, we're just cooking down this bacon, getting it kind of crispy. We're gonna bring it off the board, let it cool down, chop it up into nice little chunky bits, and then put it in our cream cheese and cheddar cheese mixture to stuff these jalapenos. So, woo, here we go. So, now that our bacon is all cooked up, it is cooling off. We're gonna open up these jalapenos, we're gonna de-seed them, and we're gonna be stuffing them here shortly with some mixture. I'm gonna show you guys how to make in just a second. So here we go. All right, jalapenos are all prepped up. Now let's make the mixture. We're gonna be going in with some cream cheese. So now that we've got 2 of our cream cheese in, 2 packs of cream cheese, we're going in with some sharp cheddar cheese. BBQ Jams rub. All right, give it a good mix. All right, now we gotta chop up some bacon. All right, we're gonna chop up some of this bacon, mix it in, and start stuffing. All right, cool. Let's throw in our bacon. Now we're all mixed up, we're gonna start stuffing these peppers, and then we're gonna be wrapping them with this pastry, this puff pastry, and then popping them on the green egg at an indirect cook at 350 degrees. And we're gonna have those on there for about 45 minutes. So here we go. All right, it's time to stuff these peppers, guys. What do you think? Should I use my good hand or my other hand?
Use the strong one.
Use the strong one?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Thank you, John, for that, by the way. And now that we have our poppers popping. Blur. Yeah, I'm that guy. You can thank me later. Please let me know what you think of that down below in the comments. While you're liking and then subscribing, of course, you know, you gotta be doing that. All right, so now it's time to go in with the puff pastry, and we're gonna wrap it up, make it look like little mummies, and then we're gonna be popping them on the green egg. Now that we have our puff pastry laid out, I'm gonna do little strips, and then I'm gonna wrap up all the jalapenos. Check it out. I'm going for a wrap on this jalapeno, so just kind of wrap it, stretch it, kind of make it look like a little mummy. Spooky. I'm gonna do one more on it too, actually. Kind of go however you like. And I'm gonna be putting some eyeballs on this towards the end, so make it look a little more official. So, but yeah, there we go. Just kind of loosely wrap it around, have some fun with it, get your kids involved. You know, it's Halloween, people. Let's have a good time.
It's King Jalapeno.
There we go. All right, looking good. I'm gonna finish these up. I'm gonna catch you guys back here in a minute. You guys enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. You know the deal. Come on, people, let's get involved. Here we go. We're looking good, guys. Check it out. Running indirect at 350 on the green egg. Going in. Here we are. We'll see you guys back here in about an hour, or about 45 minutes, sorry. So, here we go. So let me throw some hot honey on here and then I'll try the eyeballs, see how that works. All right, eyeballs time. Come on, eyeballs.
Cyclops up front there?
Yeah, we got a couple of cyclops.
Look, Owen looks scared. Look.
Don't eat me! All right, here we are. The mummies are ready to be unraveled and eaten. Or not unraveled, just eaten. So without further ado, I'm gonna bring some people on and we're gonna chow down on some of these and see what's going on. So we've got Chris Underdahl over here. What's up, Chris?
What's going on, dude?
Dude, thanks so much for on the hang and jam and being part of the show. Of course, yes. And thanks for representing on the hat.
Dude.
Loving it, dude.
Beautiful merchandise.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Derek Enter, by the way, with the merch company for hooking us up with all our merch. We love you, buddy. Hey, who else do we have over here? We also have Arthur Zaragoza. Come on down.
Hey, man.
Saragoza.
What's up, bro?
Saragoza. What's up, dude? You are looking trippy and hippie tonight, baby. Come on. You're looking good. That's what I'm talking about. And who else do we have over here now? We have Mr. Ryan Cobb. Come on down.
Yeah.
Dude. Oh, yeah. You gotta go full costume, bro. Full yes.
I don't know this right.
Oh, my God. You look great. What's up? Oh, God.
Yeah,
You gotta be
strong.
careful of that, man. Oh, my gosh. Woo. Looking great. Hey, we have one more newcomer over here. We have Alex Hamby over here. What's up, baby? How's it going, dude?
Yeah.
You're gonna be ripping on some percussion tonight. We're all gonna be holding down the drum section, dude. It's gonna be so much fun. Are you guys ready to tear in some of these jalapenos? Woo! Yeah? All right, cool. Let's come over here and get involved in some of these things. Don't be scared now. They look like they're alive, sort of. But
Yeah, what's the...
I'm just gonna kind of go for it and see what happens.
There's some paper towels down there below you.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, my eyeball fell off.
Oh,
no. Dude. Oh, thank you. Oh, hey,
A
Mazzy.
little too late. That's what she's been waiting for.
Come on, Alex. Grab
He,
the one right
he
here.
got the one that's hugging itself.
I know. These are interesting, to say the least. Joe, cheers, guys.
Cheers.
We're going in. Woo! Cheers, people.
Nice crunch.
That tasty as hell.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Woo! Ooh, that's crunchy. That's nice.
Right on. That's the
Ooh.
perfect amount of bacon.
Yeah. Oh man.
Never
Thank
too
you.
much bacon.
Yeah. Oh, dude, this is perfect. Wow. Y'all need to try these out at one of your house parties, whatever you're doing. If you guys are having a football party or whatever, these are gonna be a lot of fun. Guys, thank you all so much for being here and wanting to hang and jam. Dude, you got a little on your shirt, bro. What's going on? Yo! You're looking
I don't know
good.
what you're talking about.
Guys, we are having a ball over here. We are going to catch you guys back here in a little bit. You guys enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. Woo! You know the deal. Come on. Come on.
Yeah.
All right, come on. Amelia Harcourt is here with her lovely hair and the blood and everything. Looks great. All right, you want to get involved in all these poppers? All right, give it a shot.
Stick to.
Mazzie's underneath you waiting. She knows what's going on. Oh, yeah. Involved. Loving it. Digging it. She's got a big smile on her face, so that must be good. Zesty, huh? Yeah. Well, it's got a little bit of honey hot honey drizzle on there. It's pretty good. Nice. Well, cool. You enjoying it? Nice.
So,
we got Cooper over here,
say
too.
hello for a second? My goodness, I'm so jealous. What do we have going
Well, don't
on?
be jealous. Get involved, bro. Come on.
Here we go. Oh, I like the. Oh, there's a whole big old.
Yeah, dog. He's going in.
Oh, that's a bite.
Woo! He's been waiting for this. Kobe.
Man,
Man.
that's something special.
It is special.
That's something special.
Ooh, thank you. Well, you're special too, Cooper. Thank you.
All right,
You're always special. Anyway. All right, guys, we're having a ball. We're going to catch you back here in a little bit. Enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. You know the drill. Come on. What's up, everybody? Guys, we had an excellent show. Oh my God, these jalapeno poppers were killer. What you guys think of these jalapeno poppers? Oh yes, it was so much fun, guys. Oh, the jams were incredible. The food was incredible. We have a newcomer over here tonight. I just wanted to introduce him. We've got Alex over here. Hamby, what's up, dude?
What's up, brother?
How's it going?
Good, man.
Hey, man, I wanted to hook you up with some merch from the merch company, by the way. Thank you very much, Derek Enter. So we got you a hat.
Too cool.
Yeah,
Look at
man. And we're hooking you up with a beautiful shirt. There you are.
Awesome, Bubba. Thank
Hey,
you.
and it's official.
There we go.
You've been barbecue jam. Boom! Oh my God, it's crazy! Guys, hey, we're having a blast over here. We're gonna catch you guys next time. Like and subscribe. You know the drill. Come on, let's get involved. Woo! Yoo-hoo! Yeah!
Oh,
Man, no!
that the whole pepper?
That's it!
Oh my gosh.
I got, hey, you're all good. It's all, hey, it happens. It's all good. Oh.